The University of Wyoming LIFT is an NSF-funded project meant to provide an authentic science experience consisting of instruction and an activity for K-12 students. The activity involves sending a science experiment aloft on a balloon to high altitude. To accomplish this, the LIFT project depends upon groups of undergraduate interns. These groups will help K-12 students decide on a project, construct their scientific payload, deliver basic science and technology instruction to the K-12 students, and aid with the analysis of data.
I worked with LIFT as an education intern back in 2019. I was able to personally work with two STEM people who were very dedicated and passionate to develop a curriculum where we were able to have students compete in a space race and then actually send what they created into near space. And nothing else in my life has afforded me that opportunity or anything like it. So I highly recommend it for anybody in college looking to go into education or STEM.
LIFT is looking to recruit 2 teams of interns for year 2021. Each team consists of a science major, an engineering major, and an education major, each of whom is of junior-sophomore status during the 2021 calendar year. It involves an attractive rate of pay for your efforts and the chance to work with experts in science, engineering, ballooning, and education. If you are interested, you can get more information by visiting wyomingSpaceGrant.org/LIFT project or fill out an application by October 31, 2020 at wyomingSpaceGrant.org/apply-to-LIFT.